All right, guys, let's talk about intercooler boots. Here at Power Driven Diesel, we have made our own line of intercooler boots for a reason. We blew up everything else that was available in the market. And I have personally blown up more boots than I care to share. And so we had to design something that was awesome. So what we came up with is a 5-ply aramid fiber boot. What a 5-ply means is there's 5 layers of reinforcing fibers in the boot itself. And those fibers are aramid fibers. And why is that important? Most of your economical boots are made of a polyester reinforcement, the polyester fibers, and that's made for more of your gasoline applications. The temperature rating is much lower than aramid. So if you're looking at a boot and it doesn't specifically say, hey, this is good for over 500 degrees, or this is aramid fiber, then it's not, because it's more expensive to put in and you'd want to advertise that it had it. So these boots handle the heat like crazy and they handle a lot of pressure because they're 5-ply. We've had great luck with these, and we have these for our towing compound kits that we make. We also have these for 2nd-gen Dodge trucks and 3rd-gen Dodge trucks as a factory replacement. So this will fit your factory 2nd-gen intercooler boot or intercooler, and 3rd-gen as well. So we have all these boots for you, and if you're going to get a good boot, make sure you don't cheap out on the clamp. This is a great clamp. I have broken and stripped the threads of so many turbo clamps, T-bolt clamps, it's just ridiculous. But for one, this has a larger diameter bolt, so it's stronger to begin with. And it's a barrel nut, which means it has way more threads than a typical nut. So you can really crank on these guys. I mean, obviously anything can break, but these are way stronger than your typical T-bolt clamp. And you can put a lot more pressure to hold those boots on under high pressure. For compound turbos, these things are a must. Otherwise, you'll be blowing boots off left and right. So anyway, if you have any questions, give us a call here at the shop. We're happy to answer your questions, and hope this is informative. Thanks.